Welcome to 3NGNbots.com. 3NGNbots is a growing library of AI trainers designed to teach people how to make money online using AI. Inside the platform, you'll find bots that can help users learn things like how to sell on Etsy, how to build websites using AI, and how to start new online projects. Instead of watching long courses, users can simply chat with the AI trainer and ask questions whenever they want. But here's where it gets really interesting. Each bot can include your own email capture code, so while people are learning and chatting with the AI trainer, you can collect leads at the same time. You simply embed your email form code, share the bot with your audience, and start building your email list while people learn. It's a simple way to provide value, teach useful skills, and grow your list all at once. Now let me show you how it works. This can be done extremely fast. First, click Create Funnel. Next, choose the AI trainer you want to use. Then simply paste your email embed code. That's it. Now share the page with your audience and start collecting leads while people learn. It really is that simple. Right now, we're running a special promotion. Use the code 3NGNBOTS at checkout and get 90% off your order. This is a limited time offer, so if you've been thinking about trying it out, now is the perfect time. Just enter the code 3NGNBOTS and unlock 90% off today.